This client sat in my chair. She looked me dead in the eye and she said, "Can you make me beautiful again?" And it broke my heart. She had been overworked, saturated, and completely discouraged. We didn't rush it. We didn't chase fast results. We protected her skin. I told her with a little time and some patience, we could still give her the natural brow she dreamed of. Two years later, we finally had a clean slate. Finally, Lee was able to give her the brow she originally wanted. Her face says it all.